See, those are all the driving students that tried and failed.
No, don't say that. It's not true.
How many dead people do you think are in there?
I'm not sure how big it is, but like thousands.
All of them.
They're
Hopefully.
all dead. You have to be dead to go in there. Right?
There you go.
So there you go.
And use your corresponding signal. Yeah. Wheels straight, because you got to get the car out of the space first. Reapply your right signal. There you go. That's good. Yeah, keep the car in motion, looking around a lot. Keep rolling. So now you got to back up enough so you can clear that bumper. This should be good. Oh, no, hang on. Now you just moved forward, right? So you're getting closer to that bumper. Before you move the car, crank your wheel all the way to the left quickly. See, that's very close, right? So just make sure you turn the wheels before you move the car. We'll head out to the traffic lights. Turn left at the lights. These lights here, you can grow more gray hair at this light. It's pretty long. Actually, it just turned red, right? So let's count. It's 11:07. See how many minutes it is. Sometimes they feel longer the more of a rush you're in, too.
Mm-hmm.
It's like 5 minutes, but really, we'll see how long it is. 11:07, they just changed. And when you're waiting at an intersection, both hands on the steering wheel for the purposes of a road test. And you could scratch, but then just make sure you put both hands back on. So 11:08. Time is relative, especially at the traffic lights. So it was about 1.5 minutes, but it felt like 3 minutes. Good job. You're waiting for that pedestrian, leaving the space open for oncoming vehicles. Excellent. What do you do now? Yeah. Okay, so for the road test, you'd be coming out here, turning right, and going straight ahead. They'll let you know it's 50 here, 50 kilometers an hour. And then if they don't say anything else, you just assume they want you to go straight, which they do at these lights here. They want you to go straight. then at some point here, they're going to ask you to turn left at the next traffic light and leave it up to you when to make the lane change. They're testing your ability to make the right judgment, right decision. So it looks like you can make your left lane change now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And left turn at the lights. Excellent. All right, straight ahead.
Somebody's doing a parallel park behind the white car that's always parked there.
Yep. It's a very reliable vehicle for parallel parking.
It's always there. I lived in McAllister. I know.
That's right, yeah. Yeah, he used to live on this street, right in the middle of the road test zone.
Streets over. But this car was always parked here.
Where it's going to go down here, we'll do a 3-point turn. And I think you can guess what we're doing after. Yep. 3-point turn. Yeah. Check your surroundings first before you back up. So before you reverse the vehicle, Aiden, just like do this. Lean into that shoulder check, 360 degree scanning. Exaggerate things a little on your road test. You gotta act it out. You ever in theater in high school? No? So, yeah, we'll do the parallel parking.
Is that car a plant? Is it there?
I wonder, eh?
I wonder if it is.
I wonder, maybe it is.
Maybe the road test center does the same thing.
Yeah. Might be somebody like a driving instructor that just parks his vehicle here or something a little further away. There you go. Straighten it out. So you're parallel to that car. Okay, that's fine. What do you see in the back small window? What do you want to see there?
The back light?
Yeah. Okay.
And it's just one turn, right? Not like a full turn.
That's right. But before you do that, you want to put it in reverse right away. As soon as you got your position, so the white lights come on. Okay. Yeah. You got it, right bang on. Oh, too much. You want to straighten the wheels. Yeah. Now it's like backing out of the space from between two cars. You got to clear that bumper here. There you go. Keeping the car in motion. Yeah.
All the way.
A little more. A little more. There. If you look in this mirror, you have straight, clean lines between the curb and the side of your car. Okay. Yeah, this is good. Park a brake. Perfect. Okay. And we'll take off. That's very good.
That's very good.
Yeah. Wheels first. .45, turn, and drive off. You got her. street left turn. Oh, we already did a 3-point turn.
Yeah.
We'll do another one.
See, even the instructors forget.
No, I'm getting old.
Yeah,
Getting senile.
we are.
I had an instructor. He was my mentor. The guy who. See, I'm brain farting. The guy who started Laurentian Driving School, Maurice Kenville,
Yeah.
in 1976, and he was my mentor. He was my main teacher. He taught me so much. At the traffic light up here, they'll ask you to make a right turn. 9 times out of 10, when you get to this light, the light's going to be red. Unless you luck out, you get a green light, but not all the time.
Very often.
Right. And you notice the driver ahead of you is staying behind the white line, was staying behind the white line. It's a good idea to stay behind the white line and wait for the light to turn green here on the road test. The examiners prefer it because even if you roll out into the crosswalk, that building blocks your view. You can't really see that well. So here you're permitted to wait for the green light, even though you're allowed to make a right turn on a red light, but it's just safer to wait. The law is you may turn right on a red light. It's not you must turn right on a red light. You may do so when it's safe to do so. But if you're brave enough, you can try. See, those are all the driving students that tried and failed.
No, don't say that. It's not true.
How many dead people do you think are in there?
I'm not sure how big it is, but thousands.
All of them.
We're all
Hopefully.
dead. Yeah. You have to be dead to go in there.
There you go.
So there you go.
Okay, you want to pick up your speed to 50 here, and we'll make a left lane change. At the traffic light ahead, we're going to turn left. They'll ask you to turn left here on the road test. Cut in at the right time. Not too far out here. That's a little too far out because it's kind of an odd intersection, offset. And if you roll out too far, you might block him from making his left turn. Here, you just failed your road test.
Yeah.
Because you turned your wheels too soon, right? Reapply your left signal. If you can't see, don't go. You need 150 meters of visibility. This is always a big challenge here for this intersection. You want to keep your back tires in that crosswalk line next time.
Okay.
See, you went out too far, so your turn is a little too wide. That's only because it's not quite a 90-degree turn. It's more like 70 degrees or something. Take a mental note of this sign. 40 begins in the whole area. And we're going to turn right at the intersection. They're going to ask you to park the vehicle here along this curb. A little closer. Start at the beginning and crawl up a little closer. You're too far away. There. Okay. You want both tires to be about the same distance away from the curb. So when you're approaching the curb, instead of going like at a sharp angle like that, start where it begins. That's the beginning of the curb. You just gradually slide in there like this. So you get the whole car parallel to the curb. Okay, secure the vehicle. take off. Signal is not moving. See, it's better to turn your signal off when you see someone approaching. Managing your speed at 40, right? Down this hill. Right turn at the stop sign. There's always someone parked here. If you need to cross that yellow line, signal left and then signal quick, signal back over to the right. Excellent. Yeah, right on. Okay. So that's pretty much your road test. You just did, yeah, you passed with flying colors. At the light, we're going to make a right turn.